Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. If your clips are lagging or stuttering in CapCut, here's a few quick fixes to make your playback smooth again. Tap the preview window, go to preview quality, and you can set it to medium or low quality. Low quality gives you smoother playback and has no impact on exported videos. As you can see, when I play my video, the quality is very bad. But when I pause it, it returns to normal. And that's how it's going to look like when it's exported. If you're on a phone or a slow computer, make sure to close any other apps or browser tabs running in the background. CapCut runs smoother when it has more memory available. The next step is to clear the cache. Go to the settings, and here you can delete the cache. This deletes temporary files that might be slowing down your projects. Too many heavy effects, adjustment layers, or high-res clips can cause lag. Try disabling effects temporarily while editing. You can re-enable them before exporting. To do that, select the effect on your timeline and press V on your keyboard. And lastly, if it's still lagging, save your project, restart CapCut on your device and reopen it. This refreshes everything and usually fixes minor lag issues. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.